flower folks, welcome to Share Inspirations. In today's video we are walking around in a beautiful flower show here in Big Bear, California. This is a 1-hour drive from the high desert and they're open to public for 2 days today, which is Friday 19th of July and tomorrow 20th of July. If you are in the area, please feel free to visit, and they're free. Admission is free. I am going to take you on a tour to show you all the arrangements here. This is considered Zone 7A in the mountains, and it is wonderful to see what all they grow here. I will see you on the other side. So guys, here we are with the miniature arrangements. As you can see, we have beautiful little arrangements here. Gorgeous with this little kettle. Some snapdragons, and I'm not sure what this little guy flower is. Got the beautiful teacup ones. Got those. We got the tall stuff right here. I believe these are called Canterbury bells. And we got our daisies and Spanish broom arrangements, and we have our delphinium right here, and then this gorgeous glad bicolor. Then we have what I believe is columbine right here, and we have this yarrow and rose arrangement with, I believe, feverfew. And we got here a yellow rose, a wildflower arrangement with some yarrow, and I believe those are lupins. Yep, those are lupins. Then we have another rose. These are super fragrant roses. I don't know if you could smell them. They smell so heavenly. Then we have right here, I believe to be, not sure what the, not sure what the orange stuff is. I believe honeysuckle perhaps of some sort. And we have the gorgeous fragrant snapdragons right here. And then we got continuing on with our roses and carnations. And then we have some house plants right there. Come on. So the house plants is orchid of 2 different kinds right here. Then here we got a succulent garden. Gorgeous succulent arrangements. They've worked really hard putting this together. And this is open to public for 2 days, Friday and Saturday. The dates are 19th and 20th of July, and there's no admission. It is free to enter. These are the fairy gardens. Look at how beautiful. Another fairy garden. Then we have, doesn't look to be a fairy garden, but I'm not sure. They got some celosia and all.
This is mint and basil, curly parsley, chives. I like that.
Then we got theme arrangements here. An herbal arrangement. Here we have some carnations and some sweet williams and what looks to be wild strawberries. I believe that's chamomile or feverfew. I can't smell it, so it's got to be feverfew. Then we have here, oh look, the seashell gardens. Wonder what that is. Somebody made an arrangement out of inside of a seashell. I believe they're dried arrangement. Yep, dry arrangements. And this is also a dry arrangement here. Honeysuckle vine. Flowers with shells is what the theme of this table is. And we have here African violets, a gorgeous red and maroon variety. And we have some pink ones. Then, oh wow, look at this. We got the beautiful black-eyed Susans. Then my favorite cosmos. Gorgeous, gorgeous cosmos. They seem to be potted up, so they're not arrangements, they're more like potted plants. That one anyway. This one is an arrangement, the black-eyed Susan. This one is also a potted arrangement right here. And here we have, and they called out table perennials. Here we have a ton of delphiniums of lavender color. I have to smell to see. Nope, don't smell like anything.